And that right there is raw horse meat. Look at that. Looks just like a raw whatever. Filet mignon or something. So yeah, horse meat. So horse meat is absolutely amazing. I wouldn't bother videotaping it unless it was amazing. It's 10 times better than beef. I don't know why we don't eat these things. But look at the darn little thing. Yeah, that is amazing. I could eat like 6 plates of that. It's way better than tuna. It's gonna be gone in 2 minutes. There you have it. Horse meat sashimi. You should have some. Alright guys. So like, remember like Zorro, the movie? When Zorro got old, that's like what they do with him. Because he dies anyway eventually. Zorro. Not the guy, the horse. Now that is what they do with Zorro. Whoa. Man. That's what they do with Zorro right there. When he gets to be old. They retire the horse. Time to eat him. And it tastes awesome. We're totally missing out. Alright, so we're having more horse because it's good. And she doesn't want any because she knows I'm going to tell everyone. But it's good. It's better than tuna. Not as good as shrimp sashimi in the fish market, but close.